Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on my Mk2 escort. It's been a while since I've put any videos out. Most of you would have already guessed what's happened. Some of you follow me on Instagram and you would have seen some of the pictures. Basically, the roof again. It's been dragging on for the last 3 weeks, so I haven't really been able to do anything. Let me turn you around and show you what they've done. Yeah, cutting out my roof, trying to establish where the leak was coming from. They've done it another 3 times since, and I sort of was working on and off, couldn't work, and then they were jumping around, so there weren't really much I could do. I have started recording a video for the Renault, but this escort video will probably come out before. So I've kind of repeated myself a little bit, trying to explain what's happened with the roofing now. But I came in this morning, it was bone dry, and I'm crossing my fingers this time that they've sorted it. He said roof after roof after roof up there, it's a joke. So at the back half of my workshop over here, we've got OSB board, felt, and then about 3 layers of tin. And at the front half of the workshop, he said 3 flat roofs, and then loads of tin over the years. But basically, what the roofer said to me was that the flat roof is angling backwards from the front there down to the middle of our workshop, and then the tin roof is angling forwards to the front of the workshop. There is not enough fall on the joists, and it puddles up here and then gets through, runs down, because the flat roof is angling this way, it runs down here to the middle and then was coming out. So he's cut that section out, established where it's coming from, and tried to do the best he can. My landlord is being tight. This whole lot needs to come off, and it needs a brand new roof. And he's not going to be too happy when I put in a claim for loss of earnings, because I've absolutely had it now. I have been out looking at other workshops, and that's another story for another day. But I am seriously thinking about going balls deep and getting a proper place on an industrial estate, paying proper money and maybe working for people. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But today's video is not about that. We've got some toys to fit to the escort, and I'm going out to pick up some throttle bodies today, and I'm going to take this because it looks like it's a nice day. So I have changed the front seats. We just put them in, Safcosi Recaros in the front, and they've been retrimmed on Escort turbo seats. So they flip forward, which is really good, and that kind of works well with the back seats. It doesn't bother me too much. I might get them retrimmed in the leather, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll sort of go from there. I've been doing a few other little bits. I didn't bother filming that, but I've got a proper 5-speed gear knob on there now. I've took the old gear knob off. We've got quite a few other little odds and sods to sort out. Let me go and show you what else I got for it. Right. First of all, I bought myself an RS4 spoke. I couldn't find an RS3 spoke at the time. That came up, so I bought that. And then I managed to find an RS3 spoke. This came up cheap. I bought the actual wheel on its own off of eBay, then had to get a centre cap, and then I picked up an OMP Boss made for these RS3 spokes. So I'm going to sell that RS4 spoke now. I have managed to find a genuine Mexico RS2000 fuel cap, the proper all metal one, so I will paint that and put that on. We've still got a bit of paintwork to do on the car anyway. The driver's rear quarter has got a couple of bubbles coming up at the bottom, and then the bottom around there on the other side, and a little bit on the rear valance. I'm going to do that after Christmas. I want to enjoy that next year before I start getting carried away painting stuff. And yes, everyone keeps saying I'm going to satin black around the grille and possibly around the windows as well. I've also got another set of wheels. I went for the 7.5J deep dish 4 spokes, the same as what I've got. So at some point we're going to end up chucking them on. I reckon that'll look quite nice. Apparently you've got to do, well, I'm running coilovers on the front, so they should go on the front. At the back we might have to do a few mods, not 100% sure. Loads of different people tell you different things. If you roll the arches and have 175 5013s, which I'm running on that, technically they fit according to loads of people. Other people say you've got to change the back axle, narrow one, to do it, and other people say that they have the back of the wheels machined 5 or 10 mil, I can't remember the exact measurement, and then they go on without any modifications. So we'll get to that at some point, but yeah, I'm gonna order some tyres, get them put on, and then we'll try them. But they do look nice, the old deep dish ones, so we'll try that at another day, obviously, and see if we can get them on. I've also bought the little LED kit for the dash, because you can't see nothing when you turn the lights on the dash on these when it's remotely dusky. So today's video, we're going to try and install them. We're going to try and install me RS 3-spoke steering wheel. Done the seats now, and we've done the gear knob, and then I can go take her out for a little run. I've bought some Gen V throttle bodies that I'll probably end up going on it. So I'm going to pick them up in this. So yeah, let's start. Let's get this steering wheel off, I suppose, and we'll try and go from there. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hit replay every single night. That's that all off. I'm probably going to pull the dash out now, just because it's easier to get there with no wheel on, and have a look at them LED lights, and then we can put the other steering wheel and boss on now. So let's get cracking and get that out. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me you're ready for the ride. You know we're gonna make it last all night, so let's just take our time. As you can see, they're not like mega bright, they're designed just to be better. It's too light in here for you to see the green light bit of it, red light. It looks really funny on the camera because it's LED, but yeah, jobbed. Let's get this steering wheel on. I didn't bother time-lapsing that, basically I had to take all that out, remove the boss and what have you. And then fit this boss, the OMP one, which is really nice, and chuck that in. I'm probably going to end up getting that steering wheel refurbed at some point, but at the moment I prefer it over that. If any of you know anyone that do refurb them, excuse me, leave us a comment and let me know. What do you think? Do you think that looks better than that OMP? I think it does. I like it. I think it looks well in there. So yeah, for the time being, that'll do. Happy days. There we have it. She's getting there slowly. She's starting to be a bit better than when I first picked it up, that's for certain. I think she looks cool. I like it. The seats are doing me, the wheel will do me just fine. Let's get this out. I'm going to have a little play. Get the shutter up. Slowly getting there. I'm happy. But yeah, what was I going to say? I don't know, it's gone now. Oh yeah, that was it. So yeah, like to apologise for the lack of uploads. As you can imagine, I just had enough of this, and in all fairness, I was about that close to just packing it all in, giving it all up, but enough. Obviously you all know that this ain't my main income, and don't really need to do it, but it's tried my patience a lot. I am hoping that that's worked and we can carry on and I can just do my thing, and I've got loads to do. Do you know what I mean? You've got loads and loads of content to come, but yeah, just hoping I can carry on doing my thing. I'm also, like I said in the beginning of the video, also thinking about going balls deep, buying a brand new spray booth, getting a proper workshop on a proper industrial estate, spending a small fortune and making a proper business of it. But I just don't know what to do at the moment, so we're just going to play it by ear. Hopefully I can carry on working now. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you won't know, but my Cosworth's done, that's back. I had a whole respray, the whole lot, and mate done it in his booth for me. So I've got to fit that up, put the side mouldings on that, and then look at the interior, clean it up, sort out all the other bits that need sorting out before that gets sold. Obviously got to finish the Renault, there'll be more bits on the Escort and the Nova, so I've got plenty to do, loads to keep me going. Just hope this roof holds out so we can get it done. If not, I'm going to spend a small fortune and just go for it. Go and get a real workshop, buy a brand new booth, all the other bits that I might need. I've got most of it, to be fair, and open up a little body shop. Might be happening after Christmas. We'll have to have a think, and I'll see what I'm going to do with myself. I didn't really want to go down that road, too much pressure, but I'm thinking about selling my vape shop. Someone's offered me a nice decent price for it, so it might go after Christmas, and we'll see. So yeah, we'll go from there. But as always, a massive thanks for watching, and my subscribers have still been going up even though I haven't been posting, so massive welcome and hello to all the new subscribers. And yeah, we'll see you very soon on the next one. It's already half recorded. I'm hoping to have this thing, the rest of it, flattened off and sorted out and in primer in the next video, so I can make some progress. We're going to keep an eye on that roof. Hopefully, well, so hopefully, pretty certain we've got more rain coming, so we'll definitely find out. I'm going to go and give my Escort for a run. Yeah, take my Escort for a run. So yeah, as always, massive thanks for watching. We'll see you soon, and it will be soon, on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.